Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today we're talking about one of my favorites for many reasons, but let's get into it, Comfrey. Did you know that Comfrey has been nicknamed knit bone because medieval healers believed it could literally help broken bones fuse back together? This remarkable herb has been treasured for over 2,000 years, and today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about growing and using this incredible plant. Comfrey boasts a rich heritage stretching back to ancient Greece and Rome, where it is revered as a medicinal marvel. The name derives from the Latin "comfrere," meaning to heal or to grow together. European monks cultivated comfrey extensively throughout the Middle Ages, spreading across monasteries as an essential healing herb. It eventually made its way to North America, with early settlers who valued its therapeutic properties too highly to leave behind. This robust perennial herb grows 2 to 5 feet tall with large, hairy, lance-shaped leaves that can reach up to 10 inches long. Comfrey produces beautiful bell-shaped flowers ranging from purple and pink to white or cream, appearing in drooping clusters from late spring through summer. The plant develops an impressive deep taproot system that can extend 6 to 10 feet into the soil, allowing it to mine for nutrients from deep underground that other plants cannot reach. Comfrey thrives in USDA zones 3 through 9 and is remarkably low maintenance once established. It prefers full sun to partial shade and adapts to various soil types, though it flourishes in moist, well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Water regularly during the first season, but mature plants are surprisingly drought tolerant thanks to those deep taproots. Plant comfrey where you want it permanently. That extensive root system makes relocation challenging, and even small root fragments can regenerate into new plants. Comfrey is a companion planting superstar. Its deep roots accumulate potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus, making it an excellent nutrient accumulator for nearby plants. Position it near fruit trees, tomatoes, peppers, and potatoes to boost their growth. The flowers attract beneficial pollinators and predatory insects that help control garden pests. However, give comfrey adequate space. It's vigorous and can overwhelm smaller companions. Comfrey's most fascinating trait is its ability to create nutrient-rich biomass rapidly. You can harvest leaves 4 to 5 times per growing season, and the plant bounces back quickly. Those deep taproots break up compacted soil and bring up minerals, essentially acting as a living soil conditioner. The leaves decompose quickly, making them perfect for composting or creating comfrey tea fertilizer. Traditionally, comfrey has been used topically for bruises, sprains, and inflammation, thanks to allantoin, a compound that promotes cell regeneration. Modern herbalists create poultices, salves, and compresses from the leaves and roots. Important note, internal consumption is controversial due to an alkaloid, so always consult healthcare professionals before medicinal use. Beyond medicine, comfrey shines as a permacultural staple. Use leaves as mulch, add them to compost piles for nitrogen, or create liquid fertilizer that rivals commercial products. It's truly nature's gift to sustainable gardeners. And that wraps up today's plant profile. If you're ready to grow your own comfrey, drop a comment about how you plan to use this amazing plant, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wisdom. Until next time, happy growing.